everyone, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. and coming to you back with another video. I want to show you what I got done. I went and got my COVID-19 testing today, me and my son, and we got to wait 2 to 5 days to get results, but I think I've already had it, you know, back in January, because I ain't had no symptoms since then, so who knows? Could be asymptomatic, as you say. The National Guard guy said that I probably got antibodies against it now, but you know, if you keep social distancing, wear your mask when you go in a store, keep your hands washed, you know, kind of stay away from people. To me, I mean, it does make a difference. Alright, well, let me show you what I've got done.